tool, and today I'd like to discuss what to do when your gas driver gets stuck on a post, which is caused from the post that you're driving, whether it's schedule 40 or schedule 80 post. They'll mushroom and your driver will get stuck on it when you go to pull it off. It won't come off. So I want to go over a few things with you on what to do. I got a Fence Pro and a Multi-Pro, and kind of a quick procedure on what to do when this happens, or if it happens. I just want to grab here our adapter system. If you're using this, you got that up in the chuck. First thing you want to do is remove that master chuck, and out will come this adapter. This adapter is two-piece. You can split it apart as it slides down the post. You can split it and hopefully remove your driver. Now, if that don't work on either of our models, on a Fence Pro and a Range Pro, you're going to have to remove these two bolts up here that removes this top handle. You're then going to have to loosen up. There's two black set screws on here on your throttle. You're going to have to loosen those up so that way your throttle can slide up and down on your side handle. Then you're going to go down here on the bottom on the Fence Pro and Range Pro, remove the 4 bolts to remove this lower body. You're then going to be able to lift the driver off, but this lower portion along with your side handles are still going to be attached. What you'll have to do is slide this down onto the post enough and cover it with a rag, so that way you can come in and cut the top of your post off with either a portable bandsaw or sawzall. Cut that off and say make sure you got a rag over the top of your parts here so any metal shavings don't get in there and damage the driver. Once you can do that, you can remove your lower and then reassemble your driver. On the Multi-Pro, it's a lot easier. There's 4 bolts on the bottom that holds the master chuck on. All you gotta do, again, try your chuck locks with your adapter, and if that don't work, that's where you remove this master chuck. You don't have to do any of these bolts or your throttle. You just have to do these 4 bolts that hold your master chuck on. You're then able to remove your driver from the post. You'll be able to slide that master chuck down and cut the top of your post off. You won't have to worry about covering up anything to keep metal shavings out, because there's nothing in the master chuck that you need to worry about as far as getting damage from metal shavings for the most part, because everything's going to be sealed up that matters in here once you remove it anyway. So once you cut that off, you'll be able to remove your master chuck and put your driver back together and move on to the next post, and you're good to go. So got any other questions, feel free to reach out to me in the service department. I'll do my best to answer any questions that you may have or any ideas that you might have. I'll be glad to see what I can do to help you out, run them past, and see what I can do. Thank you. Bye.